Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Shopee account without email and phone number. Open your Shopee mobile application here. In the bottom right side corner, click on your profile icon. On the top right you will see your gear icon. Here this is account and security, and here you will get an option to change password, but if you don't get it, make sure, for example, let me just log out of this Shopee account, then I will show you how to recover it up. So here we are. If you are not able to log in into your Shopee account, here below you will find two options: login with Google and Facebook. So I will just click on login with Google. Here I will get an option. I will click on login here and I will just reopen my Shopee, and you can see that I have successfully recovered Shopee account without email and phone number. As you can see here, this is very important. You just need to link your account with Google and Facebook. If you have done with any one of the application or the website, you will able to recover your Shopee account. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.